everyone. Today our topic is solar energy and sun rays. Okay, we all know solar energy and sun rays. Sun rays are coming from where? Sun rays. The sun is the principal source of energy on the earth's surface. It is the main source of energy to give the earth's surface heat. So, it is like a powerhouse. It is like a powerhouse which generates energy and gives in the light and heat. In the form of, it gives light and heat. At the same time, the sun gives us heat and light. This energy which is constantly emitted. See, this energy is constantly emitted. In the sun is known as solar radiation. That radiation we call it as solar radiation. So when the body gives out energy, it is called radiation. Whatever the body gives the energy, that we call it as solar radiation. So coming to the energy produced by the sun, whatever the energy produced by the sun comes to us in the form of sun rays. In the form of sun rays. You see these rays. In the form of sun rays. So we can see and feel an aspect for this energy such as like heat and light. In this form, we feel that heat and light. So, however, we also receive many other forms of energy, that is ultraviolet rays. Do you all familiar to that rays? Ultraviolet rays, UV rays, that we call it as UV rays. So, radio waves and X-rays from the sun which can neither feel nor see. We cannot see that the things, just we have to feel the heat of the sun. We can't see that the things. The energy radiated by sun is more or less constant with very little variation throughout the year. Whatever they give the sun energy, it's throughout the year it is variation in the light. So that's what causes a change in temperature on Earth. So in that situations we observe the variation of the sun rays. So for example, nowadays we feel very warm. We are suffocated a lot with the effect of these ultraviolet rays and suffocated too. So the solar radiation received on the surface, that is called insolation. Whatever the energy received from this surface, that we call it as insolation. So, the actual amount of solar energy received on the ground level is only a small portion. Whatever the energy received from the surface of the earth, very small portion of the earth will get the heat. So, and reaches the atmosphere. This because 1/3 of the solar energy is reflected back. Only 1/3 of the solar energy is reflected back. But like a mirror reflected on the earth. For example, you keep a mirror on a sun. What happened? It always reflected to the back. Like that, the sun rays are reflected. Only small amount of sun rays are reflected back. So, further, some portion of energy is scattered and observed in higher reaches of atmosphere. In some other places, they reach more reflected back. So, in fact, some harmful rays of sun like UV rays, some UV rays do not reach the ground and it has made life possible on the earth. So, whatever we are talking about the UV rays, these rays are not touch the surface of the earth. That's why we are live comfortably on the earth. If these rays are fall out, we may get some other diseases or different types of diseases we may get. So, like possible, some amount of solar rays are observed and reflected away by the clouds. What are the reflected away by the clouds? And smoke dust in the particles of atmosphere. We would have noticed that cloudy days it does not get very hot. We have observed some days we get very cloudy. Nowadays we are very familiar every day in the morning and evening we are observing cloudy days, isn't it? But and as well as we are feeling very suffocated in that situations. Why? Because it is not a season to that. So sun rays and earth surface. See sun rays and earth surface. Even the rays are reached to the ground do not heat the earth surface entirely. It does not heat entire the earth. Some portion of earth can be heated. Not all the surface uniformly. This because carbon nature. See here we are observing carbon nature. Some are reflected to the back. So that's why we are not getting heat on uniformly. So compare the two pictures are given here. See here this picture and this picture, angle of incidence. So you can see the picture that due to the curvature of Earth's surface, the same amount of solar energy falls on a smaller amount of equator on a larger area. Move to the north and south of it. Does it get warmer on the equator than near the poles? That's why we are very warmer in equator regions compared with the near the poles. In poles, when we go to the poles, what we feel? We may feel cool. While coming to the, we are move to the equator zone. What we observe? The temperature is increases. So here the sun energy. See here observed by land and ocean only 51%. Whatever the sun rays are observed here only by land and ocean 51%. What see here condensation and rising air is 7%. Condensation rising up of air 7%. See here clouds observed by 3%. Whatever these rays, the clouds observed by 3%. And reflected by atmosphere 6%. Whatever the reflected back it will 6%. Then coming to reflected by clouds 21%. Whatever in clouds region it reflected only 20%. So reflected from the earth's surfaces here observed by atmosphere 16%. Whatever there. So radiation to the space from the clouds and atmosphere. Here the radiation rate observed. See coming to here 64%. Whatever these observed by land and ocean is reflected to 64%. Coming to radiated directly to the space from earth, and this thing carried the clouds and atmosphere. In this cloud zone, land and heat in water vapor is 23%. Here we observe 23%. See that is the thing. You can see that while the sun rays fall about 90 degrees on equator, slanting towards the pole. This is called angle of incidence. For example, at which rays falls on earth, see the chart below to understand the different angle of incidence. See my dears, for your understanding I draw like this. You have to understand clearly. large areas. Small areas. Sun rays. So this we call it as angle of incidence. Why? Because the sun is rotating. Continuously it is rotating. So the sun rays are not uniformly all the surface of the earth. Why? Because some may get very high and some may get less. So this angle of incidence, even though more intense the sun rays fall on equatorial region, that it is usually cloudy day after midday. Why? Because the equatorial region, the sun rays are fall on equatorial region, whatever the middle equatorial region, then we observe cloudy day after midday, and less rays falls on the ground. Hence, equatorial region are not as warm as the region immediately not to the south of them. That is the thing. But this is not all. Not everywhere. As the earth goes around the sun, it will be goes around the sun. What we observe? The angle of incidence constantly changes. The whatever the rays, it will be constantly changes. The angle of incidence increases in north during the month of November and December. The angle of incidence is increases during the north months of November and December, and decreases in the month of May and June. See, this angle of incidence increasing the north during the months of North and November and December. The angle of increases decreases in the month of May and June. So that is the thing of this angle of incidence. That is the today's topic is that.